Looking for a van that doesn't just get the job done, but looks bold doing it? The all-new 2026 Chevy Astro van is here, and it's bringing serious presence to the road. If you're into vehicles that mix utility with premium design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews and real-world walkarounds. Chevy's 2026 Astro van stands out the moment you see it. Finished in glossy black with a wide stance, LED headlights and taillights, and a sculpted high roof profile, this isn't your average cargo mover. The design language is sharp, modern, and unmistakably Chevy, with a touch of rugged attitude. Inside, the cabin gets a major upgrade. You're greeted with a dual-tone dashboard, a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and practical storage everywhere. The seating is spacious and comfortable, making it ideal for long drives or professional use. Whether you're a family on the move or a small business owner, the layout feels made just for you. Under the hood, the Astro van delivers power without sacrificing efficiency. The refined engine options paired with smooth automatic transmission and updated suspension mean you'll get a comfortable and controlled ride, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on highways. Noise insulation is improved too, offering a quiet, refined cabin experience. What truly sets the 2026 Astro van apart is its versatility. From carrying passengers to hauling gear or packages, it adapts effortlessly. The rear tailgate is wide and practical, and the overall build quality feels solid and ready for real-world use. If you want a van that works hard, looks sharp, and keeps up with today's tech demands, this could be your next ride. Like what you see, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and future car updates. We've got more exciting content coming your way.